Your iPhone tracking you and listening, just turn this off. First open settings, scroll down. Here you can see privacy and security. Open this. Tracking, open tracking. Just turn off this tracking. Then go back, scroll down. Here you will see analytics and improvements. Open this. Turn off share iPhone analytics. Then go back. Open Apple advertising. Just turn off personalized ads. Then go back. Scroll up. Here you can see location services. Open this. Then scroll down. Here you can see system services. Open this. Scroll down. Improvement location accuracy, just turn off. Open significant location and routes. Give phone password. Turn off this. Viewers, in this way you can turn off iPhone tracking you and listening. So thanks for watching.